Hundreds of San Diego police officers say they'd rather quit their jobs than go through a vaccine mandate. That's according to a survey given to members of San Diego Police Officers Association recently. Thank you for joining us. I'm Lindsay Pena.
And I'm Steve Atkinson. Our ABC 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala spoke with a union president who says the biggest concern right now is losing officers if the city doesn't provide options for those officers. Mimi.
Yeah, and he says after years of working on recruitment and retention at the police department, this vaccine mandate could cause a major setback.
It's concerning for sure.
The city of San Diego recently notified employees that they must get a COVID-19 vaccine by November 2nd with some religious and medical exemptions. Jack Schaefer is the president of the San Diego Police Officers Association. He says a new survey highlights the potential issues with staffing the police department if the city sticks with that mandate. He says about 733 union members responded to the survey,
which is roughly 38% of our whole force. It just seems like there should be something other than either have your vaccination or go get another job.
In a copy of the results shared with ABC 10 News, about 91% of the respondents believe that vaccines should be an individual choice. Schaefer says when asked if an officer would rather be fired than obey a city or department mandate, hundreds said yes.
I believe it was somewhere in the 330 range that said that they'd rather be fired than be mandated.
And he says when officers were asked if they'd consider leaving the department if vaccines were mandated by the city, about 479 said yes.
I was asked recently if, those numbers might be a little skewed. Obviously, any survey can be, but even if it's a quarter of that number, you're talking 75 or 80 officers. That's a lot. And they could very easily go to other places.
Schaefer tells me the union has been negotiating with the city and shared those survey results. He worries after years of working on recruitment and retention and finally getting to a good place, this mandate could reverse those efforts. He hopes a testing option will be given to those who don't want the vaccine. In a statement to ABC 10 News, Mayor Todd Gloria's press secretary said, "Polls don't dictate our policies. We want to protect our public safety officers and the public."
And again, Schaefer says the goal here is to come to some type of an agreement so people can still get tested if they do not want to get the vaccine. He says that'll be key to keeping as much officers on the force as possible. Reporting live in Rancho Penasquitos, Mimi Alcala, ABC 10 News.